Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily view your Wi-Fi password on your Android device. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Wi-Fi settings. So for that, just tab long press on the Wi-Fi icon and you will reach your Wi-Fi setting, or simply just scroll down and click on the setting icon and then click on network and internet and then again click on Wi-Fi. So here you will reach your Wi-Fi setting. Now you have to click on the connected network, and after that you have to click on share. After that you have to verify that it's you, and you will see the QR code here. So below that QR code you will see your Wi-Fi password. So in this way you can easily see your Wi-Fi password of the connected Wi-Fi router. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.